As we gather together in worship, may this camp meeting be a time of revival, inspiration, and a deeper experience with Christ. May the Holy Spirit fill every heart. Oh, strengthen our faith, unite our families, and prepare us for Christ's soon return.